Alright, he left. Damn. He left already. Go see if he's on the window. Go see if he's on the window. He left already. Damn.
My name's Paula, and I could really use some help. 3 years ago, I married the man of my dreams.
He left. Shit. You're not gonna find him. You don't even know how he looks. You can't even see. All you can see is black and white. You a bad dog, ain't you? You a big bad dog, ain't you? He's not hiding anywhere, man. He left. He left. Scrappy shit. Yeah, kiss my hand. Kiss my hand. Yeah, I know you're a big bad dog trying to defend your loved ones, right? Alright, get the fuck out of my face.